In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Disney Plus black screen problem. Let's get started. First, force close the Disney Plus app. Sometimes a temporary glitch can prevent videos from loading properly. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable enough for streaming. Restarting your router and your device can often resolve the problem. If you're using a smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, make sure both the Disney Plus app and your streaming device operating system are updated to its latest version. First, update the app. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Disney Plus. If you see the option of update, click on it. Next, launch settings. Go to General. Go to Software Update. If any new updates are available, just update it. Likewise, clear cache and cookies. For that, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Click on Upload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Head back, click on VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, you will need to disconnect to it. Next, completely delete Disney Plus app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. Lastly, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Down Detector. Search for Disney Plus. If there are any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.